Okay. All right. I'm Susan Barry. I'm a co-founder of Saturday Afternoon Pictures and the director and co-writer of Got This.
Hi, I'm Ethan Cadoff. I'm the other co-founder of Saturday Afternoon Pictures, and I am co-writer and co-producer on Got This.
So the idea for Got This came from a couple of different episodes that involved a missing cat. It probably isn't good to tell you too much about those particular stories and give away too much of the plot for Got This, but it's been interesting when we've mentioned the project to people, how many people resonated immediately with the missing cat story. There were a couple of different things there that we thought were interesting to explore. The relationship issues being how do we respond to different situations that come up, and then just the comedic aspect of what happens when a cat goes missing and how sometimes other people can get involved in the story as well.
We wrote this piece together and we see the humor in it, but I know that when we go to the set and we have a DP and we have lighting and we have sound and we have actors and we have all the other various elements including a cat, that things are going to happen that are going to surprise us on the set. So what I'm most looking forward to is seeing real people get to the set with a script and ultimately breathe life into it.
Everybody's focused on this moment that's happening, and there's something really exciting about that that I haven't experienced in too many other kinds of situations, so I'm really looking forward to that.
When we conducted screenings before, we had Q&As and there was a lot of really wonderful back and forth with audiences, and we found they were very curious about how is a film made, not just the finished product, but how do we get there in terms of how do you go from screenplay to production and what decisions are made on the set, how does it all come together through editing, etc. So we want to open up that window to that production process, and we're calling it Behind the Screen, and this whole effort is the opportunity for an audience to see how the sausage actually is made behind the scenes, and we're looking forward to doing that in this production.
As indie filmmakers, there are a couple of big challenges that you face. The first one is how are we going to get this done? And then the next challenge is once the film is done, how are we going to get it in front of an audience? So the idea is really to be sort of building our audience as we go and hopefully generating interest through sharing the behind the scenes so that by the time the film is finished, people really want to see it.
Please follow us on Twitter, on Facebook, through our blog and our website so you can keep up with the process as we move forward. We'll be making a lot of announcements through these platforms.
And there'll be a variety of behind-the-scenes material there, including a look at what goes on the set, some profiles of cast members and members of the creative team.
And there may be some other opportunities for you to become involved, either during production or after production, so we'll be making those announcements as well.
Including a couple of really cool events that we're looking forward to inviting you to, one of which will be a screening of the film. Writer of Got This. I'm going to say that again because I don't want to say got this like I'm British or something like that.
Got this.
Got this. Yeah. Okay.
Got it.